everyone and welcome back to my channel Be Creative and Artistic. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you all some unusual super study hacks. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Study before going to sleep. Before your bedtime, do a quick revision on what all topics you have studied. Revising before sleep is better. The reason is that our brain processes a lot of information while we are asleep. Hack number 2. DIY homework kit. All you need is a cardboard box, tray, or even a basket. So I have taken a basket for making my kit. Step 1. You have to keep all your homework books which you need to complete. Number 2. I'm gonna keep a folder. In this I have color papers, A4 size papers, stickers, graphs, something else. Next I'm gonna place my DIY pen holder. I will keep all my supplies like pens, sketch pens, markers, rulers, sharpeners, etc. Finally, I would like to keep a checklist of my homeworks and a timer so that you would know when to complete your homework or take a break. Creating a dynamic homework kit will help you to get your school or college work done comfortably, organized and efficiently. Hack number 3. Always write whatever you read. Read your textbooks thoroughly. Underline the most important points and make short notes. By writing while reading, you will be able to retain much better. Hack number 4. Eat something crunchy. While studying, stay alert by eating carrots, which are highly nutritious and full of vitamins, and almonds, a healthy snack to give you a quick energy while studying. Hack number 5. Draw diagrams. Diagrams are easy to understand. It will really help you to memorize anything faster. They are quick to grasp and easy to compare. Hack number 6. Buy a whiteboard and marker. This can save a lot of your money in a way that you can do all your rough work on the whiteboard. These are fun, practical and easy to maintain. Hack number 7. You can never concentrate on your homework when there are so many distractions. So just grab your earphones or headphones and listen to calm, mild music. This helps students to concentrate and focus more on their studying than nearby noisy things. Stop procrastinating. I wouldn't say this is a hack. I would say this piece of advice is a lifesaver. Stop procrastinating. Sometimes later becomes never. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more videos and press that bell icon for my latest new updates. And give out your valuable suggestions in the comment section. Bye bye. See ya.